Welcome to our exploration of the wonders of Indonesia. Nestled between the Indian and Pacific Oceans, Indonesia is an archipelago made up of over 17,000 islands, each boasting its own unique charm and beauty. From the lush rice terraces of Bali to the stunning volcanic landscapes of Java, Indonesia's diverse landscapes are nothing short of breathtaking. This country is a treasure trove of natural wonders, featuring pristine beaches, dense jungles, and majestic mountains that beckon adventurers and nature lovers alike. But Indonesia is not just about its stunning scenery, it is also a vibrant tapestry of cultures and traditions. With over 300 ethnic groups and more than 700 languages spoken, the cultural heritage of Indonesia is as rich and varied as its landscapes. From the intricate batik textiles of Java to the traditional dances of Bali, every corner of this nation tells a story that reflects its history and the spirit of its people. In this video, we will take you on a journey through some of the most amazing places in Indonesia, showcasing the incredible sights and experiences that await you. Whether you're an avid traveler or simply curious about this enchanting country, we aim to engage and inform you about the wonders that make Indonesia a must-visit destination. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the hidden gems and iconic landmarks that define this beautiful archipelago. Let's dive into the wonders of Indonesia together. Bali, the Island of Gods. Bali, often referred to as the Island of Gods, is a true paradise that captivates visitors with its stunning beauty and vibrant culture. This Indonesian gem is renowned for its breathtaking beaches, where golden sands meet crystal-clear waters, creating the perfect backdrop for relaxation and adventure. From the lively shores of Kuta to the serene beaches of Nusa Dua, Bali offers a diverse range of coastal experiences that cater to every type of traveler. Beyond its picturesque beaches, Bali is a hub of rich traditions and spiritual significance. The island is dotted with ancient temples, each showcasing intricate architecture and a deep connection to the island's Hindu heritage. A visit to the iconic Uluwatu Temple, perched on a cliff overlooking the ocean, is a must for anyone seeking to immerse themselves in Bali's spiritual atmosphere. Bali is also a haven for those seeking wellness and rejuvenation. The island is famous for its yoga retreats, where visitors can unwind and reconnect with their inner selves amidst lush landscapes. Whether you're a seasoned yogi or a beginner, the tranquil environment of Bali provides the perfect setting for self-discovery and relaxation. For the adventurous spirit, Bali offers thrilling activities like surfing the world-class waves at Canggu or exploring the vibrant underwater world while snorkeling or diving. With its unique blend of natural beauty and rich traditions, Bali truly stands out as a top destination in Indonesia, inviting travelers to experience its wonders and create unforgettable memories. Komodo National Park, home of the dragons. Welcome to Komodo National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that is home to one of the most fascinating creatures on the planet, the Komodo dragon. These magnificent reptiles, which can grow up to 10 feet long, roam freely across the rugged landscapes of the park, primarily found on the islands of Komodo and Rinca. Their unique habitat, characterized by dry savannas, volcanic hills, and dense forests, provides the perfect environment for these apex predators, making them a must-see for wildlife enthusiasts. But the wonders of Komodo National Park extend far beyond its famous dragons. The park is also renowned for its stunning marine biodiversity, boasting some of the richest underwater ecosystems in the world. With vibrant coral reefs teeming with colorful fish, sea turtles, and even manta rays, diving and snorkeling in these crystal-clear waters is an unforgettable experience. Whether you're a seasoned diver or a beginner, the underwater beauty of Komodo is sure to leave you in awe. Conservation efforts play a crucial role in preserving this unique ecosystem and its inhabitants. The park was established not only to protect the Komodo dragons but also to safeguard the diverse marine life and habitats that thrive in these waters. Ongoing initiatives focus on sustainable tourism and habitat restoration, ensuring that future generations can experience the breathtaking landscapes and incredible wildlife of Komodo National Park. As you explore this remarkable destination, you'll gain a deeper appreciation for the delicate balance of nature and the importance of protecting our planet's treasures. Yogyakarta, the cultural heart of Java. Welcome to Yogyakarta, often hailed as the cultural heart of Java, where rich history and vibrant traditions come together to create a unique and captivating atmosphere. This city is home to some of Indonesia's most significant historical sites, including the magnificent Borobudur and Prambanan temples. Borobudur, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is the largest Buddhist temple in the world, featuring intricate carvings and stunning stupas that tell the story of the Buddha's journey to enlightenment. Just a short distance away, the Prambanan temple complex showcases the grandeur of Hindu architecture, with its towering spires and detailed reliefs depicting ancient tales. Yogyakarta is not only known for its historical landmarks but also for its thriving arts and crafts scene. The city is a hub for traditional Javanese arts, including batik, a textile art form that involves intricate wax-resist dyeing techniques. Visitors can explore local workshops to witness artisans at work and even try their hand at creating their own batik pieces. Additionally, Yogyakarta is famous for its traditional performances, such as wayang kulit, shadow puppetry, and gamelan music, which provide a glimpse into the rich cultural heritage of the region. As a center for Javanese culture and education, Yogyakarta is home to numerous universities and cultural institutions that attract students and artists from across the archipelago. This vibrant atmosphere fosters creativity and innovation, making the city a dynamic place to experience the essence of Javanese culture. Whether you're exploring ancient temples or enjoying a traditional performance, Yogyakarta offers a deep connection to Indonesia's rich history and cultural significance. Raja Ampat, a diver's paradise. Welcome to Raja Ampat, often celebrated as one of the best diving destinations in the world. Located in the heart of the Coral Triangle, this stunning archipelago is renowned for its breathtaking coral reefs and unparalleled marine biodiversity. With over 1,500 species of fish and 600 species of coral, Raja Ampat offers divers an extraordinary underwater experience that is simply unmatched. The vibrant colors and diverse ecosystems make every dive an adventure, whether you're exploring vibrant coral gardens or encountering majestic manta rays and sea turtles. In addition to its incredible marine life, Raja Ampat is a shining example of ecotourism and sustainable travel practices. The local communities are deeply committed to preserving their natural environment, implementing initiatives that promote conservation and responsible tourism. By choosing eco-friendly accommodations and participating in conservation programs, visitors can enjoy the beauty of Raja Ampat while supporting the preservation of its unique ecosystems. Beyond diving, Raja Ampat offers a wealth of activities for nature lovers and adventure seekers. Snorkeling in the crystal-clear waters allows you to witness the vibrant marine life up close, while kayaking through the serene lagoons provides a unique perspective of the stunning landscapes. Island hopping is another popular activity, allowing you to explore the many uninhabited islands and secluded beaches that dot the archipelago. Whether you're an experienced diver or a casual traveler, Raja Ampat promises an unforgettable experience filled with natural beauty and adventure. With its commitment to sustainability and conservation, this paradise not only captivates the senses but also inspires a deeper appreciation for the wonders of our oceans. Sumatra, the wild side of Indonesia. Welcome to Sumatra, the wild side of Indonesia, where lush rainforests and breathtaking landscapes create a haven for nature lovers and wildlife enthusiasts. This incredible island is home to some of the most diverse ecosystems on the planet, featuring dense jungles that are teeming with life. Among its most iconic residents are the critically endangered orangutans, which can be spotted swinging through the treetops in their natural habitat. Sumatra is also home to the elusive Sumatran tiger, a majestic creature that roams the forests, making this island a vital sanctuary for these unique species. One of the must-visit attractions in Sumatra is Lake Toba, the largest volcanic lake in the world, which offers stunning views and a tranquil atmosphere. Surrounded by lush hills and traditional Batak villages, Lake Toba is perfect for relaxation and exploration. Another highlight is Bukit Lawang, a gateway to the Gunung Loser National Park, where visitors can embark on guided treks to observe orangutans in the wild and experience the rich biodiversity of the rainforest. As we explore the natural wonders of Sumatra, it is crucial to emphasize the importance of preserving its unique habitats. Deforestation and habitat loss pose significant threats to the wildlife that call this island home. Conservation efforts are essential to protect these ecosystems and ensure that future generations can experience the incredible biodiversity that Sumatra has to offer. By supporting sustainable tourism and conservation initiatives, we can help safeguard this wild paradise and its remarkable inhabitants for years to come. As we wrap up our journey through the wonders of Indonesia, it's clear that this incredible archipelago is a treasure trove of diversity and beauty. From the stunning beaches and vibrant culture of Bali to the unique wildlife and breathtaking landscapes of Komodo National Park, each destination offers its own distinct charm and experiences. Yogyakarta stands out as the cultural heart of Java, showcasing rich history and artistic traditions, while Raja Ampat invites divers to explore its unparalleled marine biodiversity. Lastly, Sumatra captivates with its lush rainforests and unique species, reminding us of the importance of conservation efforts to protect these natural habitats. We encourage you to explore these amazing places and appreciate their significance, not just for their beauty but also for the cultural and ecological richness they represent. Each destination tells a story, and by visiting, you become a part of that narrative, contributing to the preservation and appreciation of Indonesia's heritage. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more travel content, we invite you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends and fellow travelers. Your support helps us continue to bring you exciting adventures and insights from around the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Indonesia, and we hope to see you in our next exploration of the globe's most incredible destinations.